Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. In this video we are going to be taking a look at KuCoin.com, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. And also in this video we are going to be taking a look at KuCoin Spotlight, the launchpad platform for KuCoin ecosystem. So make sure to watch the video till the end and let's continue with the video. KuCoin.com is the largest cryptocurrency exchange. If you go and check on CoinMarketCap, that is top cryptocurrency spot exchanges, KuCoin is ranked at the number 5th position, and there are already over 130 plus assets listed on KuCoin and over 1100 plus pairs that you can start trading with, which is something phenomenal. And KuCoin is also known as People's Exchange. That is, 1 out of 4 crypto holders worldwide is with KuCoin, and it is also known as the largest altcoin exchanges out there. Here in KuCoin, there are different services that they are providing, that is spot trading, margin trading, P2P fiat trading, future trading, staking and lending. That is also something really cool that you can trade and use these different products that KuCoin is offering. And there are already 10 million plus users that KuCoin has achieved over the years, which is also something really cool. And now let's get to the main part, that is the KuCoin Spotlight. What is KuCoin Spotlight? KuCoin Spotlight is similar to Binance Launchpad. It is a platform that serves early stage crypto projects and their initial token distribution. So as you all know that participating and being an early adopter of a project and investing in the pre-sale, it is really beneficial for for making immense profit out of it. And also here in KuCoin Spotlight, you are getting an opportunity to be a part of early cryptocurrency project that you think that will be revolutionizing. And also if you go and backtest all the results by your own self, you will find that KuCoin Spotlight has been making immense profit for its investor. So the previous project was Chumbi Valley. So let's check out the token sale information for CHMB. So as you can see, the token sale price for 1 CHMB was $0.001 and it is already trading on KuCoin.com. As you can see currently it is trading for around $0.076, which is like 70x for all the investors at the current price. And it made an all-time high of $0.143, which is like 143x for all investors. So just imagine if you would have invested in this project, you would have made 143x of your money, which is something phenomenal. And in order to participate over KuCoin Spotlight, it is really simple. You just need to hold is KCS token. If you don't know what KCS token is, KCS stands for KuCoin token. It is a native token for KuCoin.com. It is currently trading for around $20.87, which made an all-time high of $28.7, which is like down minus 27% from its all-time high. So if you are interested, you can start dollar cost averaging into KCS token, because it has lots and lots of things that you can do with KCS. That is, you can use their staking platform, lending platform, participate in KuCoin Spotlight and much more. In order to participate in ClearDAO, so this is the next project that is getting launched. ClearDAO.com is an object-oriented protocol for open derivative which enable user to control risk rationally and effectively. It aims to create a derivative ecosystem allowing user to freely assume the seller or buyer position and to easily create any financial derivatives with controllable risk profile, which is also something really cool, and it is one of its kind of project. It means that anyone can create custom derivative product on ClearDAO protocol. So that is some additional advantages that you will be getting on this platform. And also there are 3 main components of this. The first is derivative workshop. This is where developers create bespoke derivative using a Lego style mix and match approach. And the second is open marketplace, that is open source community driven code for white label exchanges. And the third is risk management tools, quantitative risk data to assist trader better manage portfolio risk and platform and perform macro hedges. So these are all the benefits that we are getting on this. And in order to participate on this KuCoin Spotlight project, you just need to do is log into your KuCoin.com account, complete your KYC, and after that just click on this earn section, and then you will be finding Spotlight, that is the hottest product that is on the KuCoin.com exchange. Just click on that and you will be visited to this page. Here you have to simply click on this banner, that is the KuCoin 80th Spotlight, and it will be redirected to a page where it will be showing you some information about token issuance, Spotlight, and also here you can check out the token summary as well as token sale details. So token sale price for CLH will be $0.01, and I am easily expecting like 50 to 60x from this. So these are just my prediction. Don't go with my prediction because these are just my prediction, and this is not guaranteed. So in order to participate, complete the following criteria. That is, you need a complete KYC verification for that. Country not supported, purchase agreement. After doing so, just click on participate, and after you will be getting successfully participate, and that's how simply you can participate. And as I told, you need average daily KCS holding of at least 100 KCS, with the final allocation of new tokens is determined by the proportion of average daily KCS holding against the total average daily KCS holding by all participated users. So you need to hold KCS token, means at least 100 KCS token in your wallet to be eligible for that. And the hard cap per user will be 200 USDT, and the token subscription date is already started, and the end time will be on January 7, 2022 00 UTC. So you have still 1 day left with you guys in order to be eligible to participate, and simply following all the steps you can easily participate in this. So that is something really cool. That is, it is not something really time consuming. It is really straightforward. And also, if you want a complete in-depth detailed review video of KuCoin.com, share your opinion in the comment section. I will love to make a video on that. So that is all regarding this video. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.